Let's make a spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. First off, when working in the kitchen, if you have long hair, you always want to put it up. No excuses, put that hair up. And we're ready. Let's start off with getting that chicken ready. I'm just cutting these chicken breasts in half before I tenderize them. Normally, I'll cover the chicken in some saran wrap, but today I didn't have any, so I decided to use a big Ziploc bag. Just tenderize that meat to your liking. Try to get it as even as you possibly can. Next up, I am seasoning the chicken with some fresh pepper.
Say when?
You want to make sure you season both sides really well. Also using some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. For the breading, I'm using some panko breadcrumbs and some Italian-style breadcrumbs. And I am also trying this new dry rub called I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited. I'm starting off with a light coating of flour. I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder to this flour as well. Just coat your chicken in it very lightly, shake off the excess flour. Next up, you want to take your chicken and coat it in some egg before dipping it in your breadcrumbs. Now, when you do the breadcrumbs, you want to make sure it is completely covered so that you get that nice, crispy coating when you're frying the chicken. I didn't realize that I wasn't recording the egg dip part, so sorry about that. Once your chicken is completely coated, you're going to want to put it in your nice hot oil pan. I have this at a medium heat and let it heat up for about 10 minutes before putting the chicken in. You do not want to put the chicken in if it is not heated up completely. It will not come out proper. While the chicken is cooking, I am going to lightly toast my buns. I went for a brioche bun. I am going to coat this pan in a bunch of butter. Really saturate that pan and throw the buns on for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. And then this is what you get, a nice buttery toasted bun. And for the sauce on the sandwiches, I am going with the olive oil mayonnaise dressing. Pretty much just put as much as you want in. There's no measurement here. It depends on your personal preference. I'm also adding a little cayenne pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and some Frank's hot sauce, just a couple shakes. Give it a little kick. You're going to want to put a nice coating of the sauce on both sides of the bread. Now it's time to put the sandwich together. Personally, I'm not big on tomatoes for these types of sandwiches, so I just threw some lettuce on. But if you're a tomato person, then you definitely will want to put a nice fresh tomato slice on it. These sandwiches came out so good, so crispy, not as spicy as I actually thought that it would come out, but that's fine. Maybe next time I'll just add a little bit more if I want that kick. I also may add some pepper jack cheese the next time I try this, but this sandwich was the best sandwich I've ever made, spicy chicken sandwich anyways. It was just the perfect amount of crunch, and it was nice and juicy. The chicken, the sauce complemented everything perfectly. I really enjoyed this sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this sandwich, let me know in the comments what you thought about it. And if you want more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you again so much, guys. Bye.